This anime wasn't created by a massive studio or large production team, and it was produced entirely by a single professional AI agent, and the result is honestly mind-blowing. This platform lets you launch a full TV series from nothing but an idea, handling every stage of production seamlessly, from script writing and character design to world building, video generation, music, sound effects, and final editing. No prior experience required, and all in an incredibly short time. The interface feels premium, professional, and beautifully polished. Using it was genuinely exciting, like watching an entire studio work for you in real time.
I'm Daniel, a 2D and 3D animator.
And I'm Ariana, a video editor and content creator. On this channel, we share our tips, tricks,
And experiences about making animations and videos.
especially with AI.
If you're into that, don't forget to like and subscribe.
It really means a lot to us. As always, you can access the Amadeus Labs homepage through the link. Simply sign up quickly and claim your free credits to test it yourself. Everything here is handled through an AI agent. You can start your project and move forward entirely through it. There are several pre-made starter prompts you can use, but if you already have your own script, or if you wrote one using ChatGPT or Gemini, you can easily use that as well. After the AI agent fully reviews the initial prompt and generates the script, you'll be able to see and review the full project breakdown in this section. Details such as the overall theme, anime style, logline, promise and setting, and many other project elements are all clearly available. In addition, you'll see initial key visuals, including previews of characters and environments. The most important point here is that all of these details are fully editable with no limitations. You can change anything however you like. At this stage, the AI agent will ask what you want to do next. You can tell it to revise a specific part of the script, adjust the key visuals before moving forward, or even rewrite the script entirely. After that, you can move forward with character design based on the finalized script. Very quickly, all characters along with their voices are generated and shown to you as previews. What's great is that every detail is clearly explained for each character, including personality, role in the series, outfit, and much more. You can modify any of these elements and regenerate them. For example, you can ask the AI agent to change a character's outfit, add accessories, or even change the voice.
This is a test of the text.
You can also upload reference images to get even more precise results. Once you're happy with the characters and they feel complete, you can proceed to the next step suggested by the AI agent. In my opinion, this is the perfect moment to ask it to write episode 1 so we can really see what it can do. This section starts with writing the overview and storyline for season 1. It clearly follows the core principles and structure of a compelling anime, handling everything carefully and step by step. At this point, I was honestly amazed because it felt like having a full team of animation professionals at my disposal that I could completely trust. As you know, episode 1, the pilot episode, should introduce the overall atmosphere, style, and genre of the anime, and that's exactly what happens here. Everything is explained clearly and precisely, and the result is excellent. Typically, Beat 1 in an anime focuses on introducing the main character, their personality, daily habits, and establishing the location and sometimes the time period of the story. This is handled in a very professional and structured way here, and the remaining beats continue with the same level of quality. Each beat is explained across 3 sections: purpose, settings, and events. This clearly shows where and how each shot happens, how it starts, and how it ends. It's very well done, and I'm completely satisfied with it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Even here, you can modify the structure, make changes, or completely replace it. The Amadeus AI agent is fully at your service. Now we can move on to scene production and reviewing the environment. At this stage, Amadeus analyzes the Beat 1 and breaks it down into multiple scenes. The page that opens is called Animatics, and it includes several sections. On the left side, you can see the scene descriptions, which you can review and edit through the AI agent if needed. If you fully approve the scene descriptions, you can accept the AI agent's suggestion and convert them into cuts. Once it's done, you can review all the shots related to Beat 1. This beat consisted of 3 scenes, which were broken down into a total of 40 cuts. This part really excited me because everything is organized in a very professional way. When you click on any cut, you can see exactly where it starts on the timeline, and each scene's time range is clearly marked. Here, everything is fully editable, and you can handle it all through the AI agent. For example, you can ask it to reduce the number of cuts and keep them to a minimum. Or you can give it a specific number, like around 25 cuts, and it will organize everything exactly for you. Once you're happy with everything, you can tell it to fully implement Scene 1. This means all the assets will be generated and placed on the timeline. Of course, for each cut, several steps are involved, which you'll see shortly. Scene number 1 had 5 cuts, and it was fully generated, including the storyboard, video, dialogues, and sound effects. All the steps are visible and editable in the panel on the right. The process for each cut starts with generating the initial frame. There are detailed descriptions here that you can modify and regenerate if needed. In the next step, the composition is improved, and based on the descriptions, the camera movement, camera angle, and character actions are refined. After that, we move on to dialogue generation, which was already done earlier and marked with a green check. The next section is sound effects, which can be fully edited and regenerated. After that, in the adjust timing stage, everything is organized and the timing is reviewed and refined. In the final step, the final video is generated based on all the details you've seen. All of these stages are fully adjustable and under your control, and you can edit them however you need. Even though the AI agent handles everything for you, if you're experienced and familiar with the production process, you can manually manage each step for every cut. At any time, you can also go back to previous steps and edit anything you want. So there's really nothing to worry about. Here, you can complete all remaining steps for a specific cut at once and immediately view its video. You can do the same for 5 cuts in parallel. You can even let Amadeus handle everything automatically and watch the full video in the export viewer. Now take a look at the result.
Perfect for the project.
In the timeline section, you have access to all project layers, including videos, frames, sound effects, and more. By clicking on each one, you can fully edit or even replace them with your own custom files. For example, you can regenerate the videos with other AI video generators like Vidu, Sora, or Cdance. You can even animate the camera as well. I followed this entire process for the remaining beats and scenes of episode 1 until the full anime was completed. To get the final file, you can click on Export Animatic. Here, you can review all animation details along with a preview. Once you select the export directory, all options become available. You can export audio, video, and subtitles separately, or export everything together as a complete file.
Cool place, perfect for the project. Feels like no one's been here for years. Insert coin to continue.
Such a weird place. Kind of scary. What's happening here?
Who the hell are you?
Forget it. That machine. Be careful.
Until next time, stay creative.